Okay. Um, what you might want to play with is the angle of the sun. Um, just because it's so straight on, it makes the lighting a little flat. Um, I think that I've still kind of catches my eye the way the hand slips on the skull. So that could be worth the left hand. Um, I don't know how you ended up doing. What I had said was to parent the IK handles to the skull and then animate the skull. I don't know if you saw that video, but that would prevent that problem. Um, yeah, still, I mentioned in the last one you're going to want to get a little bit of elbow and wrist movement in that walk, maybe a little finger movement here. Um, and yeah, overall it's looking pretty good. I mean, I think the skin looks okay if you want. If you want help with that, we could try troubleshooting it. Let me open your file. Just turn the lights off to speed that up. Um, just want to see what lights you have in here. So you've got a directional light and this overall light. Let's hide the directional light for a second and see what we get with just the... It's looking a little dark. I'm just going to go into the perspective view and see. So where's the sun is what? Is it right there? Which may be behind the rock. Is that? Just gonna try putting the sun at a different angle to the character, something like that. And then let's just take a look and see what we end up with there. Um, Alright, let's just render the character and see what we're getting right now. If we like the look of that any better. Not really seeing any cast shadows there, which I would normally expect to see if the light was bright enough. And it's still looking a little flat to me. Um, Shadows turned off on here, or no? It says cast shadows. Hmm. Um, and this is it is an HDRI image, right? It looks like it is. Um, yeah, I can see why you put a directional light if you weren't getting any cast shadow from this. Let's just try a slightly different angle on this. See. I'm just gonna snapshot this and render that again. That looks exactly the same. I don't know. I think there's something about this HDR image that is not. Huh. It doesn't seem like it's sort of somehow. I mean, clearly it must be lighting the scene because it's the only thing in there. Let me just try hiding this one and showing this one. Yeah, it seems like you're getting most of your light from that. Well, anyway, what you could try is changing the angle of this then. I don't really know, but because it's at about the same angle as the camera, which isn't that interesting. So it makes for a very flat lighting look. And like, see how you get more of the shape of the objects when it's not straight on like that, and a bit more of an interesting cast shadow. So I already like that a lot better. So play with the angle of the light. Yeah, get some more going on with the elbows and the wrists, maybe a little bit on the fingers, and see if you can get that hand to stick to the skull, and those will be some nice improvements.